Battalion of Headquarter 26 Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGAR South dedicated barbed wires fencing for public cemetery of Moreh to the people today. The public cemetery of Moreh, due to lack of a fencing, was a hub of stray animals and passers-by, and hence there was a need to maintain the sanctity of the cemetery, Assam Rifles said. Sikkim Krantikari Morcha SKM President Prem Singh Tamang, popularly known as PS Ghole, took oath as the Chief Minister of Sikkim today. He was administered the oath by Governor Ganga Prasad at Paljor Stadium. Mr. Ghole is not a member of the State Assembly at present as he did not contest the polls. A radio-tagged female Amur falcon, Longland, which returned to the Indian subcontinent in the first week of May after completing her winter stopover covering thousands of kilometers in African countries, has reached her breeding area in northern China, a Wildlife Institute of India official said. Former Kolkata Chief Rajiv Kumar could be arrested today if he appears for questioning by the Central Bureau of Investigation in the Saradha Cheat Fund scam today. The officer, over whose questioning Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee held a 7-hour protest on the streets of Kolkata, has been to join investigation asked by the CBI. A formal summon has been issued to him and CBI teams have visited his office and home. Sikkim Democratic Front SDF party legislatures have decided to boycott the swearing-in ceremony of the new government of Sikkim Krantikari Morcha SKM to be held at Paljor Stadium in Gangtok today. In Arunachal Pradesh, after a decisive victory in the 10th Legislative Assembly elections, the BJP is all set to form the government in the state for another term. For the first time in the state's history, the party managed to secure 41 seats in the 16-member assembly. Congress President Rahul Gandhi and his mother and UPA chairperson Sonia Gandhi paid homage to former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru on his 55th death anniversary today. Fight erupted among inmates at a prison in the northern state of Amazonas yesterday. At least 15 people died. The fight started among themselves around noon, and security reinforcements were rushed to the Anicio Zobim prison complex in the state capital of Manaus.